Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Po and welcome back to a new video. If you are new to my channel and you've never seen any of my videos before, hello, welcome. My name is Poya Sek. If you are already a follower and a subscriber to my channel, hello bro, hello sis, how are you doing today? Have a bag that I just received in the mail and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera because it's like Telfar. I'm a Telfar fan, just like any other woman and man out there who just understands. Like the shopping bags, I love them. I just want them in every single color. So like every time they have a bag security program, I'm there ordering. I'm ordering, okay? I'm ordering. This is my second time ordering a Telfar bag from the security bag program. I really love the program because it allows everyone to be able to buy the bags that they want, the sizes, and in the colors that they would like them in. If you guys don't know about the bag security program from Telfar and you really want a shopping bag and you're a Telfar fan, I would definitely subscribe to their, page, their online page, and just to their subscription so you can get those emails of when different color bags or different styled bags are being dropped, and they're always going to let you know just so that you're prepared and ready to purchase when it's time. Order from Telfar, like when colors get dropped or anything, I would just recommend having all your information just like in auto fill or anything, just so that your credit card and all that stuff is in there. Because sis, every time I try to buy a bag, I can't order something over 2 minutes because everything is like gone. So just be prepared. But I love this bag security program because you have, sometimes it's like 3 to 4 days and you get an amount of time to like get your money right, you know, decide, do I want 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bags or more, the different colors. So I just love that fact. This was my first Telfar bag that I ever purchased, and I did get this from the bag security program. Sorry, I'm just mixing up the words, but yes. And this is in the size small. This is their smallest shopping tote bag. These are the shopping bags, not the other ones. They all have different names, just so you know, but the shopping bags are ones that are like going everywhere, like the first style. This is it. This is the smallest size. The smallest size bags are $150, and I think this is the color tan. I just love it because it's not like a dark brown, but it's like that nice chocolate. Oh, I love this bag. Okay, I ordered it in 2021 last year, and I think it was like January, February, March that I had ordered this, because that's when the program had dropped. Now, for that bag security program, this bag took 6 months to get to me. Now, during the 6 months, I was kind of like, I already want a Telfar bag. Like, I already want one. So I did go to Poshmark. Because of online stores, they sell luxury brands at a reselling price. So it's basically those people that you see going on Telfar and buying out bags before us real human beings get them, and they resell them for like $10, $20 more, right? So I went to Poshmark. I've bought from Poshmark and like one other site in college. I got like my first Michael Kors bag, but it was such a nice bag. I wasn't able to get it from like a Michael Kors store. Like, I don't think that style was in stores anymore, and I was able to find it from like those luxury brand sites, and their products are real. Like, you can compare it to, you know, one that you get from the store. It's literally the same thing, but you're just spending $20 to $50 more. Got this Telfar bag from Poshmark. Telfar bags, the medium version. This is the medium. These cost $202 for the medium size. So it's only $52 more than the smaller size, and it's like 6 times more space than the smaller size. So you're getting a really good price, I feel like, when I'm comparing price, space, what I can do with it. You get what I mean? I really love this bag. I've been wearing this since last year. Love the bag. Yes, there's some wear and tear As you can see, like, talk to some people about the wear and tears on Telfar bags, and it's like everyone has that issue, but it is vegan leather. Yeah, I still love this bag. This is like my model bag. Trying to actually figure out how to wash it so that it could stay clean and fresh, but yeah. So for this time, this is my second time purchasing a Telfar bag from the security bag program. I feel like this time, you can remind me, it was back in like March, February, sometime around that time. It is June. They came super fast. I'm kind of like, I'm already ready for another bag security program because this one shipped really fast, and I wasn't expecting that, and I'm just like super excited. So my bag came yesterday, and it comes in this plastic. Y'all should just know that I've had this bag since yesterday and I haven't used it yet. Like, that's how much I care to do these unboxings, because if you know me, I'm ready to use it right after I'm going to Ulta, and this is gonna be my bag. But yes, look at the Telfar. She smells so brand new. Telfar bag that I ordered. It is the color black. I know she's boring, but literally, like, when I was trying to look for a color, I was kind of like, what is an everyday color that, you know, I can just grab this bag, use it, because this bag is super helpful. Computer can go there. When I travel, that's all I use for this green bag. So I needed an everyday Telfar bag for work, going out, picnic, whatever. And I needed a color that was gonna just be easy to match with my clothes, and a color that's just gonna be, you know, easy for an everyday use. So I was like black, because black is one of my favorite colors. I know that I will probably be getting 4 more Telfar bags. Like, I know for sure 4 more, because I feel like I need 2 more mediums. I need 2 more minis just for like outfits and just different things, different colors. And I might need the large one. One thing that you guys have to know about these bags, right? Telfar bags are gonna allow you to have this short handle and also these long straps. So it's just easy to kind of do some versatile things with it. You get a zipper compartment where you can like put a lot of your more personal things and zip it up. When I go to castings and stuff, I usually bring my Telfar bag because it just has space. But like my really important things, when I travel, things like that, I can put it in my pocket, so people, it's harder to just reach in there if you're gonna take anything, you know what I mean? Like, it's in the zipper. Medium size is gonna give you space. As I said, I feel like the medium size is like 5 of the minis, so you have actual space to do work things, travel things, daily, just not gonna be home all day. It's gonna be helpful. So the only con that I have about Telfar bags are the, you know, just the mini scratching off on the corners. I've had a lot of people come up to me, like, because I would show them that, and they're like, oh my god, guys, it's coming on this part as well. I feel like that's why they give you this, like, especially when you're storing it in your closet. It hasn't happened to my mini bag yet, so I'm really happy, but I definitely use this more than the brown one, because I mean, I can carry a lot more. Another thing is, how do I wash the bag? I haven't washed my bags yet. I don't even think you're supposed to wash your bags like that, but it's just like, how do you wash the material inside to keep it clean? Because if you have something black like this, it's so much easier to get away with dirt. And like, for example, I eat protein bars, and sometimes I might not finish it in the chocolate. Like, that happens here. My lip gloss, foundation, sometimes I'll bring my brush for extra stuff like on set, and the brush falls in the bag and the foundation powder gets on it. So it's just figuring out how to wash that. Super excited to have gotten this bag again. Telfar, thank you so much for allowing the girls and the boys to get their bags in time for the summer. Somebody that purchases from Telfar, it's just nice to see like, oh, it doesn't always take this much time to get a bag. So I'm very much excited to get more bags. I'm very much excited to just be ready for another drop because I want more bags. But anyways, yes, that is all that I have for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I'm just really trying to do different things than makeup all the time. This video, I hope you guys enjoyed like my unboxing as always. If I do have products that need unboxing and all that stuff, I will be putting them on my channel just so you guys see that like I'm not all about makeup. I love makeup and I love doing it for you, but it's like I do the same looks. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me if you have a Telfar bag. How many bags do you have? How many colors do you have? Let me know. I would love to talk about Telfar because I am that girl. I will be in the comments talking to you. So let me know if you love them, hate them, how many bags you have, what other styles you're looking to get, because you might inspire me to get a whole different style Telfar bag. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and until next time, I hope you stay blessed.